Pulpex set out to provide the packaging format that was the right answer to the balance between functionality of a product's protection, its real life usage, and going away, so its circularity. I'm Scott Winston. I lead the team on the ground at Pulpex every day. I had the great fortune of building a brilliant engineering and science team, a production team, and everything else that goes on in order to do what's on the table here and make sustainable packaging. RoboChallenge have been a partner with us since the outset. From the earliest days when we spun this out of Diageo as a separate company, we needed a partner that could run fast, agilely, and work with us hand in hand to develop the technology whilst we were developing the technology. So they've been an intrinsic part of our R&D team since day one, helping co-create everything we've done in the engineering space.
I'm Grant Cooper from RoboChallenge. RoboChallenge is a creative engineering company, a problem-solving company that takes ideas from our clients and brings them to life. Everybody sees RoboChallenge and recognizes us from the amazing TV shows, the big PR stunts, and all this kind of robotics and engineering-based things. But what people don't really see is the R&D and the development that we do alongside that, which is actually the main section of our business. To make a paper bottle, there are so many challenges involved, which is why it's such a difficult thing to do. Pulpex has been a really interesting journey because we've gone from small-scale R&D machines where they're designed in a way that we can change all the settings and make this bottle in various different ways. And it's been a really interesting journey to go from that through to then scaling that up to some commercial equipment.
I'm James Cooper and I work closely with my brother Grant here at RoboChallenge. When we work with Pulpex, they come to us with a very core concept of what they want to achieve, and we can gradually build that up, adding the layers through CAD design, through simulation and design validation before we head off to manufacture. So they're with us every step of the way. And we also work really closely with our clients. We either give them seats to Fusion so they can actually go around the model. We actually have a part in our website where you can go onto that link. They can use the Fusion online viewer. They can explode the model, have a good look around it. By seeing it in that manner, they can really understand and be on the same wavelength as us.
If you look around the factory at the moment, our very first R&D machine for thermoforming and moulding this bottle is almost exactly the same as what they're now running on the production line at commercial scale. And that's been really good, and from a company perspective, to know that our initial ideas has been the correct one, and that's followed all the way through to commercial scale. The latest machines we've been developing for Pulpex, there are thousands of parts in a single machine, and to see all of that come together from all the processes in here to one really clean looking machine with all the gears, all the belts, everything turning and working in harmony, and seeing something like this come off the end and knowing that that thing is really going to make a difference in the world is really impressive, and I'm really proud of the team and what we've achieved here. Pulpex, like many of our clients, put a lot of pressure on us to deliver things very quickly. That can be a mold tool, and with the workflow from Fusion with things like the manufacturing extension, we can have that designed, CAM programmed, and we can actually have it inspected on the machine, which saves us sending it out, getting it done, and that saves us days and days of time, combining all of that into a single workflow, so we can have that part manufactured and shipped within days.
So it's great to collaborate with the team in the manufacturing area. We can do that on Fusion by using things like tool libraries and machine tool simulation. That ensures that the design team have got that design perfect before it needs to go to manufacturing, as we can validate those tools through simulation.
It's always surprised me how quickly we can come up with a fix for a problem. Working with Fusion, we've been able to be on site, we've found a problem, and I can literally ring back to the office and tell James and Michael, can we just do this or make this change? And literally they've had that thing made and either driven up the same day or next day. Fusion works really well with solving those problems and making sure everything fits together right. The tolerances of what we're making fits together perfectly. For most people that will be a real challenge, but having all of that in one piece of software means we can seamlessly move from one machine to the next and know that when we do build a machine or a product, everything just goes together seamlessly. Working with Pulpex over the last few years has been a real eye-opener for us. The projects are very different. These are things that we have to consider the lifetime of the product and the machines that we're making and the purpose that they serve. There's no point us creating something that will get thrown away.
Everyone watching this video will go down sort of the streets, they'll see litter everywhere, they'll see plastic stuck places, you'll see the horror pictures. This relationship and everything we're doing together is to solve that problem. So it's a very lofty goal to make sure that you are starting to have a positive impact on the world's pollution problem. But that's what this whole partnership and journey enables, is the change to start to happen.